In this video we're going to look at VAT. VAT stands for Value Added Tax. It is a tax that is added on to goods and services that we purchase. We're going to look at three different examples in this video. We're going to look at how you calculate the cost of something after VAT has been applied at a given percentage rate. We're going to calculate the VAT percentage rate when given the price with and without it applied. And we're going to look at how we calculate out the price of something before VAT is applied, when we're given the price after, and the VAT rate. So we'll start with this question here. Magazine is advertised as €4.20 plus VAT. If the VAT rate is 15%, what is the selling price of the magazine? So there's two ways we can go about applying a percentage increase onto something. We can find the percentage itself and add that on. So we'll do that first. So we're looking for 15% of 420. Well, 15 is 0.15. Of, in this case, means multiply, and it's still multiplied by 420. Right, 0.15 multiplied by 4.2 is 0.63, or in this case, 63 cents. So if we add 420 and 63 cents, we're going to get €4.83, like that. And the other way we could do this is we're looking at cost plus VAT. Well, the VAT itself is a percentage of the cost. So we're going to be adding 100% of cost plus 15% of cost. So in other words, cost plus VAT is 115% of the cost price. And since we know our cost is 420, we're looking for 115% of 420, which is going to be 1.15 multiplied by 420. And if you put that through a calculator, you will get €4.83. Same as in the other way of doing it, but this way we just did it a bit more directly. So that's how you calculate a price after VAT when you're given the price before and the VAT rate. Let's take a look at another example here, where this time the price of a watch was €120 plus VAT. If the price paid was €134.40, calculate the VAT rate. So this time we have our price before VAT and we have our price after VAT. And all we've got to do is we've got to find the percentage of the VAT rate. So the first thing to do is to find out how much money was actually paid in VAT. In this case, it's going to be $134.40 minus 120. And from that, we're going to get €14.40. Now remember that VAT itself is a percentage of our initial price. So to calculate what the percentage is, it's going to be 1440 over 120. And then we're going to multiply that by 100 over 1 in order to get our percentage amount. And if we stick that into a calculator, we will get 12%, like that. So 12% is the rate of VAT in this particular situation. For our last example today, we've got a bill for €96.76, includes VAT at 18%. Calculate the amount of the bill before VAT is added. So this $96.76 is the price plus VAT already included. So what we have is, if our VAT rate is 18%, that means that 118% of the initial price is equal to $96.76. So we're going to work our way down to 1% by dividing both sides by 118. 96.76 divided by 118 is 0.82. And now we're just going to find 100% by multiplying both sides by 100. And in this case, we're going to get €82. So the price of this bill before VAT was applied was €82. And that is that.